Hey guys, Zach Gardner here with Vapor Honing Technologies. So what we're going to do today, we have a speedo sensor for a B-Series Honda transmission. And we also have a slave cylinder. And we're going to blast both of these. Both of these I'm going to put in straight glass bead. I'm just going to use normal glass beads, 170 to 325 mesh, and I'm going to give this piece a nice polish. And at the same time, it's going to be in a heated machine, so it's going to degrease every aspect of this part. The plug on it is already ruined, so I'm not really worried about that. But here's a small disclaimer, if you're ever doing one of these in a vapor honing system, always make sure that this is taped off. No liquid or media can get inside it. But for me, it's not a major concern, so I'm just going to show you the before and after of a dirty speedo sensor and also a very rusted and dirty slave cylinder. So stay tuned for more.
A few moments later.
All right, and we're back here at Vapor Honing Technologies. So in the previous clip, we were talking about a slave cylinder that was all rusted, corroded. It's probably about 20 years old. Roughly. It probably came out of a 1994 Acura Integra, something like that. So with this thing being all rusted, especially with the fluid fitting and everything else that is on this, the rubber, after we treated this, we treated it with glass bead, so 170 to 325 mesh, and it has a pretty shiny finish on it. And also notice that it did not deteriorate the rubber, this rubber boot. It did just fine on the rubber versus dry blasting. Dry blasting would have probably started to make this thing start drying out, and it would have probably deteriorated this while we were blasting it, possibly cutting it at the same time because it's obviously more aggressive. With a water system, it's not the same. Our water and media literally just rolls off the surface. So that's one piece. The next piece was the speed sensor. Both of these came out of a B-Series Honda transmission, and the speed sensor being aluminum, you can see what glass bead does to this thing. Makes it look really nice and pristine all the way around. The speedo gear right here, this driver gear, is also a plastic. It does not hurt the plastic on any material. Glass bead is not going to hurt the plastic, especially if it's in a wet blast system. This side, we had talked about how the plug was damaged beforehand, so I wasn't super worried about blasting it, but also noticed that it did not hurt any of the plastic or rubber, anything like that on this system, as well as the slave cylinder. So guys, if you appreciated this video, definitely give a like and also subscribe, contact the salespeople, and watch our YouTube videos to keep getting better content just like this. Thank you.
To follow up on all Vapor Honing Technologies YouTube content, subscribe and like our channel on YouTube at Vapor Honing Technologies. Also check out our website at www.vaporhoningtechnologies.com to see different machines and different materials and what we have to offer for this awesome industry. Lastly, give the sales team a call at 828-202-5563. And we appreciate you watching. Hope to see you next time.